was awesome to have CS Group Canada sponsor the OEM of the Year award as part of the Informa Tech Automotive Awards in Detroit. What did that mean to you and your company?
Corey, it was really nice to be back on site after so many months waiting for the event to really happen with the 2020 edition that was cancelled. But the Informa Tech Automotive Award is a must, as it recognizes companies making significant contribution to the automotive industry. So CS Group Canada is an engineering service company. Our mission is to accelerate ISO 26262 functional safety certification. So we support our client bringing their new innovation to the certification and the commercialization faster. So last year only, we supported more than 20 customers in their product certification and commercialization challenges. And we understand what it takes, to be able to make innovation and in the end to get your product bought by an OEM. So for us, it was really an honor to be chosen to announce the OEM of the Year award in front of such a great audience, industry leader, competitor as well. And we really enjoy the networking session and being able to provide the OEM of the Year award. So I don't know, maybe you can tell me, but I believe the award was recorded and is available on your website. So what I would do is to invite everyone listening to this video to go on your website and listen to the event, because it was really great and so many good companies being recognized for their hard work. So a really great event.
Yeah, it will be available, and it's going to show, the OEM of the Year acceptor and you guys presenting it. I mean, it was so great to see you up there. And I also like how you said you're in the same audience as the competitors of yours. I mean, how does it feel, to be on site again? You're not even only connecting with your own target audience, but also your competitors are there and the OEMs are there. Everyone's there. How was that? What was your vibe during the show? And, what are you looking forward to going into 2022?
Yeah, so, again, it was nice to be back after so many months waiting for on-site conference. And I want to thank you, because I know you were, still hesitating doing the event, hybrid, online, on-site. And for us to be able to be back on site was really a must. And I want to thank all your team for, putting the effort and, being able to gather all this audience. So for us, it was really, I think, our second business trip since March 2020. So,
wow.
It was really something big for us, and we were really excited to be back in Detroit, especially because, CS Group Canada is based in Montreal, Canada, obviously, by the name. And so we have a large customer base in Canada, but we also have some major customer in Detroit or in Michigan. So for us, it was really, good to be able to be back to interact with our customers, because since the COVID started, we had so many new projects and we didn't get the chance to meet face to face. So for us, it was, a conference, great content, great technical speeches given by, some clients of us as well. But it was also an opportunity to, to come to Detroit and to meet with our customers. So, really, I really want to thank you for, giving us the opportunity to, as an industry, reconnect together, work on, the next innovation, and how are we going to make electric vehicle, autonomous driving, a reality for next year, the year after, and make this reality safe, because it's really, in the end, that's required.
Yeah, thank you so much for your kind words. I mean, it's because of you and the rest of the community that we have that we can put these events on, and being in person this year was a huge step in the right direction. And I really like how you said, between 2020 and this year, there's been a lot of development. I mean, in the whole industry, and you haven't been able to meet face and face to go over that development. You haven't been able to, have more of like a hands-on look at what you're offering the automotive industry. So yeah, that is so important about meeting this year, especially. But can you tell me a little bit more about CS Group Canada and what your role is, and kind of what can we see for the future of the auto industry from you?
Yeah, so our mission is really to accelerate ISO 26262 functional safety and cybersecurity, and by doing that, we allow our customer to bring their innovation to on the market, so go to the commercialization faster. And we really at some at a point where the electric industry is doing so great. The autonomous industry making a lot of progress, but also hitting a lot of challenges. And we are at some point where we see that those two technology are merging together, and we see more and more autonomous electric technology. So we've been working with engineering service company, working on the software, working on the system. So it was really nice for us to be able to be back with some client and see the ECUs that we are working on, see these integrated in a test bench in a vehicle, see the end product is something that is really valuable. And as a sales manager, I'm able to see that. But when we try to bring some technical people as well to those conferences, and when they're able to see the end product integrated in the I don't want to the latest autonomous electric vehicle, are they really so much happy, and the long hours working on those projects, it's really nice to be able to see and touch the end product without having to buy it.
Yeah. I mean, I think you hit it right on the head. Like, you work so hard to get these products to where they are today, but it really comes full circle when you get to go to an event and see your product, see the consumer engaging with you and engaging with your product. And I think that is the biggest part of like how you keep going, how you get the motivation and morale to go up. So thank you so much, Vincent, for your time today. It was a pleasure having you on site. Thank you again for sponsoring the OEM of the Year Award. We do have that video up, so don't forget to check that out. But we hope to see you in 2022, and thank you again.
Yeah, and maybe for everyone that will be listening to us, do you know is there a date that we should put in our agenda for 2022? Do you have it?
Yes, it's going to be it's either the first or second week of June. I will confirm that and get that up with this video so that everyone will know exactly when to save the date.
Yeah, so I'll save the 2 weeks, and then we will be ready for next year. But thank you for giving us the opportunity to present what CS Canada is doing. Again, to be chosen for to give the OEM of the award, OEM Award of the Year is such a great opportunity for us. So again, thank you for all the Automotive Tech Award team for organizing such a great event, and keep doing the good job connecting the industry together. And thanks again for all the effort that you put into that.
Yeah, thank you so much. I will pass that along to the team. Thanks, Vincent.
Thank you.